Hi! Welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off time-sensitive and silence notifications do not disturb on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start! Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and click the Focus. Then in the focus, choose the Do Not Disturb. Then in the Do Not Disturb, click Apps under the Notifications. Then in the Notifications, find the Time-Sensitive Notifications, and as you will see, there's a switch button on the right side of it. Then all we have to do is turn on the switch button to enable. And it's now enabled. And if you want to disable, just turn again the switch button to disable or turn off. And that's it. We have successfully turned on and off time-sensitive and silence notifications do not disturb on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!